Liam's girlfriend just broke up with him. Let's follow his story and learn English together.
I was thinking about our holiday next month. Maybe we can go to the mountains? What do you think?
Liam, stop. I can't talk about next month.
Why not? Are you busy with work?
No, it's not work. I need to tell you something, and it's very difficult.
You're making me nervous. Is something wrong? You can tell me anything.
I've been unhappy for a long time, Liam. I tried to stay, but my feelings changed.
Your feelings changed? But I love you. I always try to make you happy.
I know you do. You are a kind and wonderful man, but I don't feel the same way anymore.
Is there someone else? Just tell me the truth.
No, there's no one else. I just need to be alone. I need to find myself again.
Can we just take a break? We don't have to end everything today.
No, Liam, a break won't fix this. I think it's better if we break up now.
I don't want this. I thought we were going to stay together forever.
I thought so too, but people change. I'm sorry for hurting you.
So this is the end? No more dinners? No more walks?
Yes, it's better if we don't see each other for a while. It helps us move on faster.
This feels like a bad dream. I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. I'm going now. Take care of yourself, Liam.
Goodbye. I will miss you.
Oh, Liam, you're home already. The clock says it's only 8 p.m. How was your date? Did you go to that fancy Italian restaurant?
I didn't go anywhere, Dove. We just sat in the park for 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Why? Did it rain, or was the park too crowded?
No, the weather was fine. But she dumped me, Dove. She said it's over.
Oh no, Liam. I'm so sorry to hear that. Are you serious? You two were together for a long time.
I'm serious. She said her feelings changed and she wants to be alone. I feel like my world is falling apart right now.
I can see it in your eyes. You look like you want to cry. Do you want to talk about it? I'm here to listen.
I don't know where to start. I tried to ask for another chance, but she said no. I feel so lonely and confused.
It's okay to feel that way. A breakup is always very hard. Do you want some hot tea or a glass of water?
No, thank you. I'm not hungry or thirsty. I just feel so empty. I thought she was the one.
I know it hurts a lot right now, but you shouldn't stay alone with these sad thoughts. Tell me, what else did she say?
She said we are too different. But Dove, I always thought our differences made us a good couple.
Sometimes people use that as an excuse when they are afraid. Just remember, you are a great brother and a wonderful person.
Thanks, Dove. I'm lucky to have a sister like you. But I think I need to go to my room now.
Okay, go and lie down, but please don't stay in the dark for too long. I'm right here if you need me.
Come on, please pick up just one more time.
Hello? Liam, why are you calling me at this hour? I told you we shouldn't talk.
I'm sorry. I know it's late, but I can't sleep. I've been thinking about us all night.
Liam, please, don't do this. We already talked about everything at the park.
No, please listen to me. Just give me one more chance. I can change, I promise. I will be better. I will listen more.
It's not about changing, Liam. It's about how I feel. My answer is still no. We are not a good match anymore.
But I love you. Doesn't that mean anything? I can't imagine my life without you.
I'm sorry you feel that way, but I have to be honest. I don't want to try again. Please don't call me again. It makes it harder for both of us.
Wait, just one more minute.
Goodbye, Liam.
Hello? Are you there? She really hung up on me. She's really gone.
Liam, I'm coming in. I have a surprise for you.
What is it, Dove?
I cooked your favorite spaghetti with lots of cheese and meatballs. It's still very hot. Come and eat a little bit, okay?
It smells great, Dove. You're very kind to do this for me.
I know you haven't eaten anything since yesterday. Your stomach must be empty. Just try a few bites. It will give you some energy.
Thanks, Dove, but I'm not hungry. I feel like there's a knot in my stomach. I can't eat right now.
But you need to stay strong. If you don't eat, you will get sick. Do you want me to leave the tray here on the table?
No, please take it back to the kitchen. I don't want the food to get cold and go to waste. I just want to be alone for a while longer.
Liam, I'm really worried about you. You can't live on water and sadness.
I know, I'm sorry. I just have no appetite. Everything tastes like paper to me right now.
Okay, I will put it in the fridge for you. If you feel hungry in the middle of the night, you can heat it up.
Thank you, Dove. You're a great sister. I'm sorry I'm being like this.
Don't be sorry. Just try to take a small step forward soon. I'll leave you now. Liam, are you awake? It's very late and you haven't come out for breakfast or lunch.
I'm awake, Dove. I just don't want to get up.
You've been in your room all day. The sun is shining outside, but it's so dark in here. Are you okay?
To be honest, I'm not. I feel empty, Dove. My heart feels like a heavy stone.
I know it hurts. I heard you talking on the phone last night. I'm so sorry she was so cold to you.
I stayed up all night thinking about everything. Every corner of this room reminds me of her. I can't believe she's gone.
It's normal to feel like this after a breakup. You are heartbroken, but you need to breathe some fresh air.
Everything feels gray. I don't want to watch TV, I don't want to check my phone, and I don't want to see anyone.
But you can't stay in the dark forever. Why don't you open the window? Just a little bit.
Not now, Dove. I just need more time. I feel like a different person. I don't know who I am without her.
You are still Liam, my kind and funny brother. A girl leaving doesn't change that.
I hope you're right. But right now, I just feel lost.
Okay, I will leave you alone for now, but please try to drink some water. I'll be in the kitchen if you change your mind.
I can't do this anymore. I've been staring at the ceiling for 5 hours. It's 5 a.m. and I can't sleep. Every time I close my eyes, I see her face. I'll just go to work early. Maybe cleaning the coffee machines will help me forget.
Liam, why are you leaving now? Is it morning already?
Oh, Dove, did I wake you up? I'm sorry. I'm just going to the cafe.
It's the middle of the night. Look at your eyes. They are so red. You look like a ghost.
I feel like one too. I'm exhausted, but my brain won't stop talking. I need to do something. I can't stay in that dark room anymore.
But the cafe doesn't open until 7 a.m. What are you going to do for 2 hours?
I'll prepare the beans, clean the tables, and organize the kitchen. I just need to stay busy, Dove.
You are going to collapse if you don't rest. Why don't you try to listen to some relaxing music instead?
I tried that. It didn't work. I'll be okay, I promise. I'll drink a lot of espresso when I get there.
That's a terrible idea. Your heart is already sad. Don't give it too much caffeine.
Don't worry about me. Go back to sleep. I'll see you in the afternoon.
Be careful on the road, Liam. You aren't thinking clearly right now.
Hey, watch out! Are you crazy? You almost walked into my car. Oh my God. I almost hit you. You didn't stop at the red light. You just kept walking. I'm sorry. I wasn't looking. I'm so sorry, sir. Are you okay? You look like you're in another world. You can't walk on the street like that. I'm fine. My head is just very messy today. I didn't see your car at all. You need to be careful. You are lucky I have good brakes. If I was faster, you would be in the hospital right now. I know. You're right. Thank you for stopping. I'm really sorry for the trouble. Look, just sit down for a minute. Take a deep breath. You look very ill. I'll be okay. I just need to get to work. Well, please pay attention. Your life is more important than whatever you are thinking about. He's right. I'm losing my mind. I almost died because I was thinking about her. Liam, stop for a second. Look at me. You almost burned your hand with that hot milk.
I'm just a bit tired, sir. I'm sorry. I will be more careful with the next cup.
It's not just about being careful. You've been here for 2 hours and you look exhausted. Your eyes are red and you're shaking.
I didn't sleep much last night. I thought working would help me feel better.
Liam, I know you're a hard worker, but you can't work like this. You look like you were going to faint.
Please, sir, I need to stay busy. If I go home, I will just think about my problems.
No, your health is more important than coffee. I want you to go home and rest for a few days. That's an order.
A few days? But who will help you in the morning?
Don't worry about the cafe. I will find someone to cover your shift. You need to sleep, eat, and clear your head.
Maybe you were right.
I almost had an accident on the way here, too. See? You are not safe right now. Go home, talk to your sister, and don't come back until you feel strong again. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate your kindness. Take care of yourself, Liam. We need the happy Liam back soon.
Dove, it's me. Please, I need help. I fell down near the park.
Liam, are you okay? What happened?
I tripped. My ankle is very big and I can't stand up. I'm so sorry, Dove. I'm such a mess today.
Don't move. Stay right there. I'm coming to get you. I will call a taxi. Just stay calm, okay?
First my heart, and now my leg. Everything is breaking today.
The doctor finished the x-ray, Liam. The good news is that your bone is not broken.
Oh, thank God. It hurts so much I thought I broke it.
It is just a sprain, but you need to wear this bandage and use crutches for a week. You must not put your weight on this foot.
A week? I'm such a burden to you, Dove. You had to leave school early to come and get me.
Don't say that. You are my brother. That's what family is for. I am happy to take care of you.
I'm a mess. First my girlfriend, then my job, and now my leg. Everything is going wrong.
Sometimes bad things happen all at once. But look, I am here. We are going home now, and I will cook you a giant bowl of soup.
Thank you, Dove. I don't know what I would do without you.
You would probably still be sitting on the sidewalk. Now, stay calm. I will go and pay the hospital bill. Then we will take a taxi home.
I will pay you back, I promise.
Forget about the money. Just focus on getting better. Let's go home, big brother.